Best micro ATX cases. As hardware becomes more efficient, the demand for smaller, more versatile rigs is skyrocketing. Gamers and professional typists alike are moving away from massive towers in favor of micro ATX cases that offer a smaller footprint without sacrificing high-end performance. Our guide evaluates the market's top contenders based on build quality, airflow layout, hardware compatibility, and overall value, ensuring your next compact build is both powerful and thermally stable.
Product number 1. Cooler Master Masterbox Q300L. The Cooler Master Masterbox Q300L remains a titan in the budget MATX space, primarily due to its ingenious magnetic design dust filters. These filters aren't just for cleanliness, they feature a unique pattern that gives the case a modern, geometric aesthetic. One of its most standout features is the modular I/O panel, which can be adjusted to 6 different locations, allowing you to orient the case vertically or horizontally depending on your desk space. Internally, the Q300L is surprisingly accommodating. It supports a full-sized ATX power supply and GPUs up to 360mm, which is impressive for its 387mm height. While the side panel is acrylic rather than tempered glass, it provides a clear view of your components at a fraction of the weight. Cooling is handled by a pre-installed 120mm rear fan, with ample room to add dual 120 or 140mm fans at the front. For builders who prioritize flexibility and bang for your buck, the Q300L is a masterclass in utility.
Product number 2. NZXT H3 Flow. The NZXT H3 Flow is the 2025-2026 update to NZXT's legendary cooling lineup, specifically tailored for the micro ATX form factor. Known for its ultra-fine mesh panels, the H3 Flow is designed to provide a continuous stream of fresh air to high TDP components. It includes a high-performance F120Q rear fan, which works in tandem with the ventilated PSU shroud to create a vertical airflow chimney effect. What sets the H3 Flow apart is its support for rear connecting motherboards, like ASUS BTF and MSI Project Zero. This allows for a virtually cable-free interior, showcasing your hardware through the tinted tempered glass side panel. Despite its 35L volume, it fits massive GPUs up to 377mm and CPU air coolers up to 170mm. The build quality is quintessentially NZXT, sturdy SGCC steel with tool-free access panels that make the building process feel like a premium experience.
Product number 3. Lian Li A3-MATX-WD Wood Edition. A collaboration between Lian Li and Dan Cases, the A3-MATX-WD is a 26.3-liter micro form factor chassis that punches way above its weight class. The WD edition features a stunning wooden front panel that brings an organic, sophisticated look to any workspace. Don't let the small size fool you. This case is a modular beast. It supports up to a 360mm AIO radiator on the top or side, a feat rarely seen in cases under 30 liters. The modularity is the real star here. You can move the PSU bracket to different heights or orientations to make room for triple-slot GPUs up to 415mm or additional storage. It arrives without fans, which is a deliberate choice for enthusiasts who want to curate their own thermal setup. With support for up to 10 120mm fans, the A3-MATX is designed for those who want a small form factor plus experience. All the compactness of a small build with none of the cooling compromises.
Product number 4. Jonsbo D32 STD. The Jonsbo D32 STD is a sleek, minimalist chassis that focuses on a clean internal layout. It places the power supply at the front, which frees up the bottom of the case for direct GPU intake. This layout is particularly effective for modern, power-hungry graphics cards.
The D32 STD supports a 240mm radiator on the top and can house up to 3 120mm fans at the bottom, creating a robust bottom-to-top thermal path. Constructed from 0.7mm and 0.8mm SPCC steel, the case feels incredibly solid. It features a modern front I/O with USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C, ensuring fast data transfer for external drives. With a GPU clearance of 365mm and support for CPU coolers up to 164mm, it fits almost any enthusiast-grade hardware. It's a perfect middle ground for builders who want the premium feel of a Lian Li but prefer Jonsbo's distinct vertically oriented airflow philosophy. Product number 5. Okonos Aqua 3. For those wanting a showcase build, the Okonos Aqua 3, part of the Aqua series, offers a breathtaking 270-degree panoramic view. With seamless tempered glass on the front and side, your RGB-lit components take center stage. Unlike many aesthetic-focused cases, the Aqua 3 comes ready to go with 3 pre-installed 120mm ARGB fans, 2 at the top and 1 at the rear, providing an immediate out-of-the-box light show. The case utilizes a vertical airflow design and features a fine 1.2mm steel mesh that acts as both a vent and a dust filter. It's surprisingly spacious inside, accommodating GPUs up to 330mm, including the RTX 4070, 5070 series, and standard ATX power supplies. The inclusion of a 4-port ARGB controller and a front panel Type-C port makes it one of the most feature-complete fish tank-style cases at its price point.